Hi, I'm Wade, and today we're going to be showing you the Thoroughbred Diesel Fuel Contamination Kit for the 6.7 Powerstrokes, and it's coupled with the DCR Conversion Kit. Unfortunately, one of the best-selling products that we have at Thoroughbred Diesel is the 6.7 Powerstroke Contamination Fuel System Kits. But not unfortunately, one of the best-selling products that we offer is the DCR conversion for the 6.7 Powerstrokes. We knew that there was a need for a more affordable complete fuel contamination kit that was minus the CP4 pump, but added the DCR conversion kit to it, and this is what we have for you. Again, this is our Thoroughbred Diesel kit, and this has got everything on the wish list that we wanted inside of these kits for you guys that have had a fuel system failure and you want to do the DCR conversion at the same time. So of course comes with the S&S Diesel DCR conversion, the complete conversion kit. The kit comes with genuine Bosch fuel injectors. Also comes with genuine Bosch fuel rails, and the fuel rails are going to have your secondary regulator and also your fuel pressure sensor in them. It is going to come with the fuel return lines, and then ancillary parts, of course, gaskets, O-rings where you're going to need them, the fuel lines, because the fuel lines need to be replaced when you're doing an injector replacement. Obviously, you've had contamination through the kit, so you've got to get all of your high side components changed out. And then you have your high side crossover line. Now, these crossover lines are going to have the balance line plus the two CP4 lines in them. You will remove those, and then inside of your DCR kit, you're going to get your new DCR lines that are going to go over to your driver's side fuel rails. So this is everything that you need inside the kit. Two things, or a couple of things that we did not add to the kit. Number one was a fuel lift pump. If you've had fuel contamination, you have to change out your lift pump. We have a lot of our customers that are using aftermarket lift pumps and not just the stock lift pump. So we gave you that option. We have both of those on our website. And also you'll need to be changing out your fuel cooler. Fuel cooler availability on these is good right now. We've got those on the website, so you just add that to your kit and that gets all of the components that you need to do this full conversion. You'll need to change out your fuel filters. These kits actually don't come with fuel filters. A lot of guys keep an extra set of fuel filters at the house. We took that in mind. We don't want you having to buy something that you don't necessarily need with these kits. So this is everything that you're going to need for your high side fuel pressure system when you're going inside of this, and coupled with this DCR, we think that you're really, really going to like this setup. Now, we have these in the correct year breaks for the Powerstrokes. Obviously, the 11 to 14, the 15 to 16, the 17 to 19, and then the 20 plus kits. We've got all those on the website ready for you to go. So these are in stock and shipping. Now, you guys that aren't doing the DCR conversions, if you're wanting to go back with a CP4, we have CP4 conversion kits, full disaster kits as well, to get you guys taken care of on that. So we haven't forgot about you all, but the DCR is so immensely popular and just such a superior fuel pump right now. We wanted to make sure that we got this kit coupled with the DCR as well. So if you have any questions about your 6.7 Powerstroke or S&S Diesel DCRs or Thoroughbred Diesel's contamination fuel kits, just give us a call. Thanks for watching.